If you're not editing like this, you're crazy. Hey lads and lasses, so if you may have noticed, I know I'm a new YouTuber, so it's a little bit forgivable, but the quality and editing skills in my videos have drastically increased, not due to just getting better equipment, but also from learning some awesome tricks for editing. For example, let's look at one of my first. Get the fucking bottles! And this. Okay, good. No! Something was running around. To one of my more newer lethal companies.
Why am I always being bullied?
Probably because you're so good at it.
As you have not met the proper code,
Well then, you're in luck. I just made an editing tricks and tips video that I'm gonna post here, linked below, for whatever price. It's gonna be somewhat small, probably below $10 or so, with great information on how you can learn how to edit with free software so that you can learn how to up your game too, and we can all grow together. Hope to see you there. Thank you again for supporting me in whichever way that you want to, even if it's just by free subscribing and liking or sharing my funny videos with your friends. I really super appreciate those free options. I'm a DIY free chick myself, so yeah, thank you so much for all that you guys do. Have a good day. Bye. Learn to edit this good.